Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, we have breaking news right now that the Lyft CEO is considering selling the company. So this could very well be the actual end of Lyft. You guys hear me say that all the time, but we're gonna dive in. Firstly, I wanted to tell you all about a job opportunity with Fetti. So what they're basically doing is they're the new social media app for job offers. So all you have to do is enter your email and fill out a couple questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying job offers. And yes, it's called Fetti, like confetti. I'll have a link below to sign up. And when you use our link, it's completely free. So you don't need to pay anything. This is just a free service that you get by watching our show. So use the link below for Fetti and get high-paying job offers. They're looking for gig workers right now. And who knows, maybe you get a really awesome job. And they have remote jobs all over the country as well. So listen to this, my friends. This just came out today. The Lyft CEO, the new Lyft CEO, I know Logan Green was replaced by this guy named David Risher. He's reportedly says that the company is open to acquisition offers. This is the first that I've heard of this. And by the way, a lot of times when companies are open to acquisition offers, they're essentially kind of asking the public, engaging the public, hey, we're trying to sell. And this could mean somebody like Elon Musk. We know he's been talking about doing his own rideshare company with Tesla called the Tesla Robotaxi. This might be a great opportunity for somebody like him, although I don't think Elon Musk needs to buy a company because I think they will have so many customers already. But this could be a way for Elon Musk to say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna lowball you. He did the same thing with Twitter. I'm gonna take Lyft. I'm gonna take all your customers, keep it running, and then we're slowly gonna change it to Tesla. We're gonna add in Tesla cars, make it bigger and better than Uber. Who knows? So let's get into what exactly he said. David Risher's tenure as Lyft's CEO has gotten off to a tumultuous start at the point that he already seems to be changing his tune on a potential sale of the ride-hailing giant. By the way, if you're watching the video, I would appreciate it if you click the thumbs up button to help support the show. It helps us out a lot. And make sure you're subscribed. When prompted, Risher said Lyft is open offers in an interview on Bloomberg. Wow. A tone change from the executive who slashed Lyft's workforce by more than 1,000 jobs and spoke an optimism. This guy kind of sounds like Elon Musk to me. He's just like, oh yeah, we literally just fired 1,000 people, spoke optimistically about the company's prospects in a fight against its larger competitor, Uber. Risher took over the CEO role from Logan Green, who was one of the co-founders, prompting speculation that the struggling firm was gearing up to sell. With a share price that dropped almost 90% since the firm went public in 2019. Is that actually true, Lyft stock? What is it at right now? It's at $8. Wow, it's at $8 and it opened up at 78? Is that true? Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it is down. It was literally open at 78. What did Lyft IPO at? $72 a share, now it's down to 8. Oh my gosh. If you've been investing in Lyft, I'm sorry. You probably lost like 90% of your income. So yeah, Lyft, they might be selling, and honestly, I wouldn't blame them because Uber's just taken over. I mean, Uber's like global. They're in so many different countries. Lyft is only in US and Canada. And in my opinion, Uber's just way better. Like, even if you're a driver, like you get way more rides, you're making way more money. Lyft just can't compete. So I don't know about you, but let me know your thoughts about this. And again, make sure to sign up for Fetti. Again, just you need to enter your email and they'll send you high-paying job offers within 2 minutes. They're a really great new company. Fetti, I give them my full support. So use our link below for Fetti. Otherwise, we'll talk to you soon.